Plant FAQs, Calophyllum Inophyllum. Exploring Calophyllum Inophyllum, a natural wonder. As someone deeply fascinated by the wonders of nature and the healing properties it offers, I found myself drawn to the remarkable Calophyllum Inophyllum tree. This extraordinary specimen, native to tropical regions, holds a wealth of benefits that extend far beyond its picturesque appearance. Join me on a journey as we delve into the mysteries of Calophyllum Inophyllum and uncover its secrets. Nestled within the lush landscapes of tropical climates, Calophyllum Inophyllum, also known as tamanu, stands tall as a beacon of natural healing. Renowned for its medicinal properties, this evergreen tree boasts glossy, elliptical leaves and fragrant white flowers that captivate the senses. However, it is the seeds of this remarkable tree that hold the key to its therapeutic potential. Calophyllum Inophyllum Vietnam versus Madagascar. I've grown both Calophyllum Inophyllum Vietnam and Madagascar varieties, and I've found the Madagascar one to be more resilient and adaptable in my garden's harsher conditions, while the Vietnam version thrived in the milder, more controlled environment I provided. Does Calophyllum Inophyllum tamanu contain alcohol? In my exploration of Calophyllum Inophyllum, a common query that arises is regarding its composition. Many individuals seek natural remedies devoid of harsh chemicals, including alcohol. Fortunately, Calophyllum Inophyllum tamanu oil is celebrated for its purity, containing no alcohol additives. This makes it an ideal choice for those with sensitive skin or those seeking gentle, natural skincare solutions. What is Calophyllum Inophyllum seed oil? At the heart of Calophyllum Inophyllum lies its most prized treasure, the seed oil. Extracted from the kernels within the fruit of the tree, Calophyllum Inophyllum seed oil is revered for its potent healing properties. Rich in fatty acids, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, this golden elixir offers a myriad of benefits for skin and hair health. From soothing inflammation to promoting cellular regeneration, Calophyllum Inophyllum seed oil stands as a testament to the power of nature's remedies. How to utilize Calophyllum Inophyllum seed oil. As I continue my journey of discovery with Calophyllum Inophyllum, I find myself eager to explore the various ways in which its seed oil can be incorporated into daily routines. From skincare rituals to hair care routines, the versatility of Calophyllum Inophyllum seed oil knows no bounds. Whether applied topically as a nourishing moisturizer or used as a potent ingredient in DIY beauty concoctions, its benefits are bound to leave a lasting impression. What to plant with Calophyllum Inophyllum? For avid gardeners and nature enthusiasts alike, the prospect of cultivating Calophyllum Inophyllum in their own green spaces is undoubtedly enticing. However, understanding which companions complement this majestic tree is essential for fostering a thriving ecosystem. From vibrant tropical blooms to shade-loving foliage, selecting the perfect companions ensures a harmonious environment that nurtures both flora and fauna alike. Embracing the essence of Calophyllum Inophyllum. In conclusion, my journey with Calophyllum Inophyllum has been nothing short of enlightening. From its origins steeped in ancient healing traditions to its modern-day applications in skincare, this botanical marvel continues to inspire awe and admiration. As I continue to explore the depths of nature's bounty, I find solace in knowing that treasures such as Calophyllum Inophyllum serve as reminders of the innate power and beauty that surrounds us.